We're hosting a free webinar on microlearning in action, tips, techniques, and examples on how to use it to drive employee performance on the 3rd of October 2019 at 11 a.m. EDT. This webinar is presented by Asha Pandey, the Chief Learning Strategist at EI Design, and sponsored by E-Learning Industry, Inc. EI Design is #1 in e-learning industry's list of top 20 e-learning content providers for microlearning. Join this free seminar to see how you can leverage strengths of microlearning. This webinar provides insights on the magic of microlearning and how you can use it to offset several L&D challenges and provide pointers on how you can put microlearning into action to drive employee performance. Through practical tips, techniques, and examples, the session will show you how to maximize the impact of microlearning in your organization. There will also be a handout of a free ebook on microlearning in action, tips, techniques, and examples on how to use it to drive employee performance.